How to transition your skincare for winter. The winter is still here, but is your skincare ready? If you're still using the same routine from summer, you might be damaging your skin. Today, I'm sharing the must-know tips to keep your skin healthy and glowing all winter long. Problem: why winter wrecks your skin? The cold air outside plus dry indoor heat is equivalent to skin disaster, flakiness, tightness, and even breakouts. Yikes. Step 1. Switch to a hydrating cleanser. Ditch those harsh, foaming cleansers and switch to a hydrating one. Look for ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid to keep your skin barrier strong. Step 2. Swap lightweight moisturizer for a richer one. Your summer moisturizer won't cut it in winter. Go for a thicker, occlusive moisturizer to lock in hydration and prevent dryness. Step 3. Don't ever skip sunscreen. Just because it's cold doesn't mean the UV rays disappear. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable all year round. Step 4. Add a hydrating serum. A hydrating serum is a game changer. Apply it on damp skin for maximum moisture retention. Step 5. Avoid over exfoliation. There again. Your skin is already more sensitive in winter. Cut back on exfoliating to prevent irritation. Are you making these winter skincare mistakes? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Stay cozy, stay glowing. Bye for now.